So in section 8.3, we discuss slope field. A slope field or a direction field for a given differential equation shows the slope or the direction of the integral curves at certain points on a graph. A slope field is created by choosing certain points, calculating the slopes of the tangent lines, and drawing small segments of those tangent lines through the points. So remember, dy dx is my slope of a curve. So this slope is only connected to y. So I know that I'm going to use all of my y values to help me draw this curve. My x values don't matter. So I know for sure it's 0 when y equals 1. So across here, my slope is 0. And then if I plug in 2 minus 1 is 1. So these slopes across here are about 1. Now, if I plug in 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So across here, it's all negative 1. So now, negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So that should be a steeper negative slope across here. And then negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3, an even more steep curve. So we only have to look in a certain area. Here in number 2, x plus y. So now I need to connect x and y. So I know it's equal to 0 when x equals y. So wherever where x equals negative y. So wherever x and y are opposites, it's going to be 0. So when negative 1 and 1, 0. Negative 2 and 2, 0. 0, 0. 1, negative 1, 0. 2, negative 2, 0. So let's see here. If I start with 0 on my x, 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. If I start with 0 for my x, 0 minus 1 is negative 1. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Now here's my 1 for my x. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Starting here at 0, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So here, 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, 4. And then let's see, 2 plus negative 1 is still 1. So then here, negative 1 plus 0 is negative 1. Negative, negative. And then this is going to be negative 1 plus 2, positive 1. Negative 2 plus 0 is negative 2. And then negative 2, negative, negative. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So you see these sketching of the slopes are all in perspective to one another. So then last but not least, number 3, now we have y divided by negative x, or negative y divided by x. So first, I know there's a vertical asymptote at x equals 0. So I also know wherever y is 0, my slope will be 0. And so then also, let's see, I know where x and y are the same, it's going to be a negative slope. So negative, 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 negative. And where x and y are positive, are opposite signs, it's going to be positive slopes.